A polyline is a connected sequence of line segments created as a single object. You can create straight line segments, arc segments, or a combination of the two. We can draw these polylines with or without the orthogonality. To draw polylines, click on the icon. Now you can specify the first point of the polyline and then the end point of the first segment. Now you can continue specifying segment endpoints as needed. To close a polyline, you can either click on the first point of the polyline or press C and right-click at the same time with your mouse. Now I'm going to restart the polyline function by doing another right-click with my mouse. This time I'm going to deactivate the orthogonality. I click to specify the first point of the polyline and then keep clicking to create the rest of the segments. If I want to start drawing arcs in the same polyline, I have to press A and right-click at the same time. The next segments will be drawn as arcs with a size that will depend on where I click from the previous endpoint. If I want to go back to straight lines, I have to press R and right-click at the same time. You can draw as many segments as you want, and if you want to close the polyline sequence, press C and right-click at the same time.